welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to try using a Japanese plane. I have never used a Japanese plane before, so laugh along with me as I try to figure it out. The hammer I am using is a Honeybrook hammer. He had a couple prototypes go out, and I think he's going to start making them regularly. I really like this thing. I like the balance and everything of it. But I know people were going to ask, so I wanted to tell you, it's a Honeybrook. First shaving! It's heavy on one side. That was from the edge of the wood, but I eased the quarter now. Let me ease this one. I'm sure you guys have done that before. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. It's getting nice thin shavings. I'm running into an issue at the end. I keep tipping it, because I'm not really sure how this gets held. Oh, look at that! Yes! Look. Yeah. Oh. Hold on. So Veritas sells these. Well, I think it's Lee Valley. They're extra long adhesive bandages. So when I went up to Canada, I grabbed a box because we're not able to buy them here in the States. So if anybody in Canada is watching this and they want to send me a ton of these batteries, I accept. Batteries? What? Band-Aids. Oh my, where was it? I'm thinking it was in this general area. There we go. See how it wraps all the way around? So yeah, Canada people, you want to send me Band-Aids? I'll accept. Alright. Where'd my shaving go? Look at that. Alright, let's see. Yeah! I think this is easier than I thought it was going to be. I'm still a little heavy on this side, so I need to tap it. There we go, let's try that. So, I think I just discovered you can tap the back to reduce it, tap the front to advance it. That's much easier than hitting the iron. I'm still heavy on that side. Alright, so I have to say that for my first time, this is pretty dang good. If you guys can see that. Nice. Alright, so this was easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to take me a little bit longer to figure out how to use the plane, but I don't know if this is just a trait of Japanese planes, but I know that I have some Western wooden planes that are tap-taps as well, and I struggle to use these, but this Japanese plane it's a cheaper one, but it was really easy to learn and to use. I did run into the issue that it kept cutting heavy on one side, so it could be that that's a little bit off, because every time that I would advance, it would scoot to that side versus evenly advancing, but it was easy. I liked that I was able to tap the front to advance the iron and tap the back to retract the iron. I didn't know that tapping the front was a thing. So I didn't even really need to hit the iron after I got that situated. Then it was just tap here to advance, tap here to retract. I thought that was neat. I'm still not sure how to hold this thing. So people watching it, if you're a Japanese plane user, let me know if I was having my hand correctly. I did keep running into the issue of dipping it out at the end, so what I started doing is lifting it. And you don't want that either, because you can create a cave in your board like that. But I was able to get two flat faces that are square to each other, and that was my whole mission for this video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I do think it's interesting that this Japanese plane is easier than the Western plane, so maybe I need to do a comparison of those two if I can find a Western plane that's similar to the size of this. But we'll see. Alright, again, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below. Japanese plane users, let me know what I did wrong and let me know what I did right. Alright, you guys, have a good day.